Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Avalon. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, chrome wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, heads-up display, adaptive cruise control, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
We know that the idea of buying a used Toyota is attractive to you. After all, getting a high-quality, low-mileage Toyota at a great price is a smart move. That's why we created the Toyota Certified Used Program. It's the smart choice.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.